Hello po, good day po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mitza Bache, and I'm an accredited seller of the DMCA Homes. So today, ang i-discuss ko sa inyo is yung project namin along C5 Road, si The Valorant Tower. Okay po. Hello po, good day po sa inyo lahat. Hello po, good day po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel. So today naman, tara samahan niyo ako, i-tour ko kayo sa i-discuss ko sa inyo yung project updates for Manakay, The Valorant Tower. Best Investments by Mitza Bache, and I am an accredited seller of the DMCA Home. Hello po, so it's been a while since my last video dito kay The Valorant. I think parang 5 months ago yata yun. So right now, nandito ulit ako to give an update. So as of December 2024, nasa close to 6% completion na si The Valorant Tower. So that's the quick project update po natin about The Valorant. So now I will discuss to you a quick information po about this project. So right now I'm here in our latest showroom. It is along C5 Road. Okay, kung familiar kayo kay Mitsubishi Motors, this is the formerly Mitsubishi Motors. So it's just across the intersection of Lanusa and C5. Okay, so if you're going to Ortigas area, going to Valle Verde, makikita nyo yan eh. Nasa corner lang itong showroom natin dito. Okay, so for this project, kay The Valorant Tower, we are building a 55 stories high-rise residential condominium na may dalawang wing. So here we're offering a studio unit, a 1-bedroom unit, a 2-bedroom unit, and a 3-bedroom unit. So tara, i-explain ko ngayon sa inyo yung project details natin kay The Valorant. Hello po, so ngayon, i-discuss ko sa inyo ngayon si The Valorant Tower. So this is The Valorant Tower. So this is along C5. So kung familiar kayo kay SM Hypermarket, kay Tiendesitas, dito po siya. And this is the intersection between, this is going to Julio Vargas, okay? And then, dito lang siya actually sa corner unit na to. So this one is at one high-rise na 55 stories. Okay, na dalawang wing po ito. This one is the east wing and the other one is the west wing. So here, we're offering a studio unit, a 1-bedroom unit, a 2-bedroom unit, and a 3-bedroom unit. So, ang kagandahan nito sa project po na to, tatlo ang levels of amenities natin. One, in the ground floor. Second, in the 7th floor. And lastly, sa roof deck area natin. So if you can see, this is an aerial view of the project. This is the Valorant Tower. So meron tayong view on the back side. Dito yung Rizal skyline natin. And then dito sa side na to, fronting is yung facing natin kay Eastwood City. Okay, so this is C5 Road. And then ayun doon si Bonifacio Global City. Okay, and then here we go to the podium facade. So this is the artist rendition of our building facade. Okay, so doon sa harapan natin makikita ninyo, meron tayong parang water park dito, mga fountain dito. And we're in dito sa harapan yung drop-off area natin. Pero ang main entrance natin would be along P. Antonio Street. Okay, so we go to the drop-off area. And then ang mag-welcome sa inyo is yung reception natin. So on the ground floor, meron tayong mga retail shops dito. Okay, so more on commercial shops ang ground floor natin dito kay The Valorant. Wherein nandito rin yung convenience store natin, and I think nandito rin yung gym yata natin. So dito, very welcome. And this is, by the way, this is a joint venture between DMCA Homes and Marubeni, our corporation. That's a Japanese company siya ang nakipag-joint natin dito. So this is the reception lobby. So we go now to the reception lobby. So parang kaparehas lang din nung reception lobby natin dito kay The Valorant. So ganito yung artist rendition natin kay The Valorant Tower. Okay, so now we go to this is the transfer elevator from the ground floor to the 7th floor amenities. So we go now to the reception lobby. Sa 7th floor, meron tayong another reception lobby because syempre yung ground floor natin are opened because meron tayong mga commercial shops doon. Pero ang residential natin will start on the 7th floor because the 7th floor may mga units na tayo doon. And also, nandun din yung indoor amenities natin. Okay? So now we go to the open lang. Same pa rin kagaya ng mga existing projects natin. Meron tayong mga open lounges dito sa area na to, dito sa 7th floor. Okay? And then now nandito rin yung kiddie pool natin. Okay, so this is the artisan edition of the kiddie pool natin, yung play area, children's play area natin, nandito rin sa area na to. I think this one is on the side of the east wing. Okay, and then ito yung nasa likod naman ni east wing. Okay, yan. So ito yung playground natin dito. Okay. And now this is the kiddie pool. And now we go to the roof deck. Okay, so another view natin pagdating dito sa roof deck area natin, because dito sa roof deck area natin meron tayong sky promenade na tinatawag natin, and at the same time meron tayong sky bar. Okay, and lastly, syempre nandito yung ating infinity pool na makikita natin sa roof deck. So this project has a sky deck pool, so same as with our Erin Heights, kay Crestmont. Yan. And then yung bago natin na kay Moncello Crest, meron din tayong sky deck pool doon. I think kay Solmera Coast din, meron din tayong sky deck pool doon. Ay kay Moncello pala wala, meron tayong doon, jacuzzi. Jacuzzi pala kay Moncello because medyo malamig doon kaya hindi tayo pwede maglagay ng pool doon. So this is the sky deck pool. So napakaganda ng view. So, yung sky deck pool natin is nasa east wing. Pero although magka-connecting yung east and west wing natin dito sa project na to. Kaya madali rin makapunta. Saka interconnected siya, meaning one building, magkaiba lang ng wing. Okay? So, yun yung mga amenities natin for this project. Ngayon, this ends my presentation for the Valorant Tower. Ngayon, if you want to know more about this project, nandiyan yung numbers ko naka-flash sa screen. You may contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp. And pwede tayo mag-schedule ng anong presentation via Zoom. Pwede tayo mag-schedule ng site viewing. So, pwede ko ipakita sa inyo itong model unit namin dito. And at the same time, pwede natin puntahan yung site natin. Okay? So, thank you very much for watching po. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video kay YouTube, ay ma-notify kayo. So, thank you very much for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.